This is Frank's video doing a presentation on QR codes. What is a QR code? A QR code or a quick response code is a multi-dimensional code that is scanned into a smartphone to give the user instant access to information. See the template below. This is what would show up on your actual handheld smartphone, BlackBerry, and the logo there is actually hot. It'll take you linked directly to your website. The other folks are also linked buttons that will take you to a email address. It will take you to a call and ask if you want to make that call. It will take you to Twitter. Those are also interchangeable with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other special URL that you want to direct your clients to. Scan into your smartphone. There has been an increase of 1,200% of people that have scanned at least one QR code last year. These QR codes are getting more popular every day. How it works. A company would put their custom code on their marketing materials such as business cards, magazines, newspaper ads, flyers, catalogs, etc. You're starting to see more and more every day. The customer would scan the code with their smartphone and instantly be taken to their website or special offer. Over 14 million Americans scan a QR code or quick response on their iPhone, BlackBerry, or Android device in June 2011 and growing. Samples of how QR codes are used, and it's unlimited, but here's a few examples. On products, on retail signs, on real estate signs, in magazine ads, on bulletin boards, on business cards. As you can see the two cards there, there's one that is, the top one is the QR.GL that could be down as actually as low as 5 millimeters if you want. An Android could possibly read it, but the best chosen size for your business cards would be probably 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And here's a QR code, as you can see below, that actually is approximately an inch by 1 inch. Even on headstones you could see QR codes, and you can put whatever data you would like to put on there. How the QR gets linked system is different. There are many more features with our system that just not available with other QR codes. Why choose the QR.GL system over one of the free QR code generators out there? Let me give you some examples. QR code works worldwide, GL and the free one. QR code is compatible with most QR phones, QR.GL and the free one also. This is where we start to differ. Smallest possible QR code, scannable, 8 by 8 millimeters, smaller than a half an inch. Like I said previously, I would recommend 10 by 10, just a little bit larger, and you can't get that for free. QR codes are scans are trackable with stats. The free one is not available. QR code comes with a mobile landing page with easy access buttons like I've showed you in the previous slides. You can't get that with a free QR code. QR code information is easy, changeable 24/7 as you can see. QR code always stays the same even when the information it links to changes. For an example, if you have information on a product, when you put your address and your labels in the company contact, if you were to change office or change cities, you could just change the information in your back office. It's that simple. Our system is ideal for our marketing needs. Our code can be scanned in as small as 8 by 8 millimeters, making it ideal for business cards, label for your products, and so much more. Note 10 by 10 millimeters is recommended for most phones scan that size better. Our QR codes need to be scanned much larger, which makes it harder to place it on business cards and labels. As you can see, the top one is an 8 millimeter by 8 millimeter, and there's the other. Change the contact information, deal on the links as often as you want. No more waste on money on the marketing materials that are outdated because the information has changed. Your QR code never changes, you just change the information that is linked within your code. QR codes are becoming more popular with realtors, putting the QR code on signs and marketing material, have a link right to your listings, feature homes, or your website. Retailers put their code on their products, packaging, and marketing materials. Manufacturers can put code on parts, track model numbers, stock numbers, data manufacturer, etc. Networkers can put codes on email, marketing materials, and products you market, such as cosmetics, health products, household products, etc. Individuals, friends scan your code for links to your social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, YouTube, to mention a few. Your customers start by downloading a free QR code reader software that is compatible with their phone. Your customer scans your QR code into their phone. A live link to your website, phone number, map to your address, email can be there for them at such a touch of a button as shown below. A touch of a button and it'll dial your phone number, or it gives them a map to your location. Additional features of our system: you can fully customize the buttons you would like to use. You can have a link to your website, map to your location, phone number, deal button, emails, social network such as Facebook and Twitter, YouTube, etc. Best of all, you can change it as often as you want on the fly. These features are only available with our system. You could not do that with other QR codes that are free out there. Wait, there's more. Our QR codes are trackable. Total number of scans of QR codes, as you can see, is a total of 158. It will tell you which device has scanned your code and break it down by a device. Now, we all know that BlackBerries are traditionally used by large corporations, banks, government, military. PCs are everybody, of course, and then Androids and iPhones and iPods would probably be more of the younger crowd, but it gives you basically a sense of who's scanning your code. As you can see, here's a graph of QR codes and how many scans you've had in the last 30 days, and we break it down by the date. All of these amazing features can be yours with your customized, brandable, and trackable GetLink QR code system. Get started, it's only $49.95 per year. You can earn affiliate income promoting the GetLink QR code system. Get back in touch with the person that shared this information with you to get started today. This is a cutting edge QR code. Would love to see you at the top. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.